Good morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in, checking out the channel. We're so happy to have you here. It has been a minute since we've been out and about and doing anything. We decided that after a pretty long, stressful week, we were going to take off today. We have Brian joining us for the day. Going to have a fire, just sit, chill, relax. We ourselves are going to be spending the night. We have a few extra little things up our sleeve that we hope to be able to show you. We hope you enjoy, and if you do, please hit that like button. Do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate the support, the help, and we hope you enjoy what you see. Thanks.
I also thought they said it was supposed to be sunny somewhat today.
Yeah, it was just supposed to be sun and cloud mix, but it's not looking that way, is it?
It's definitely cloud.
Where? I don't see any.
Whoa. At least the fog is lifting.
Well, it was while we're low, but now they're climbing again. Crazy. Gives everything a different look.
It totally does.
That's cool.
Oh, cute.
Nice.
Got one.
What's that? Oh, I know.
That Tacoma did come in here.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did he wave?
I don't know. I wasn't looking.
Like, I don't know. Do you want to camp here, or do you want to?
I don't know.
Let's just take a look. Take a look around, shall we?
Let's take a look-see.
Look-see, as they say.
Look and see. Okay, so after driving all this way, we were a little surprised to see how busy this place was. We've been here several times in the summer, and it's always so jam-packed. We were kind of hoping with the winter weather it might be less busy, but it also has been very mild, so we really shouldn't be overly surprised. I think we will actually stay. We will set up camp, we will have our yummy, delicious dinner, and we will have the best time and enjoy ourselves tonight.
Hey guys, Joanne had mentioned that we had a little surprise on Facebook, and the surprise is Green is getting fitted today with a set of Morimoto taillights. I'd like to say it was an unboxing, but there's no way I couldn't look at these beauties beforehand. So give you guys a little shot. They're still in plastic. They'll be in plastic until I finish installing them, but hey, we'll at least give you a sneak peek all black bezels, clear lenses. They should look ridiculous. All right, guys, I'm just gonna put this down and then we'll pull out the other lights and put these ones in. So we're gonna pull these out really quick. Obviously, super easy, just two 10mm bolts. I got my beautiful assistant, Brian, giving me a hand today. So we're gonna get these done in no time. That one's already loose.
Is it both the bottom ones or just one?
It's just the one. Just the very bottom one. Yeah. This one's kind of stubborn, actually. Has been when I was changing my breather, too. There we go. All right. The old Tacoma pull. And we're off. Ooh, look at that mud.
Oh dear. Dirty.
That is a lot of mud. All right. We'll clean this up before we put the next set on. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna press and unclip these. All right. Officially, the chrome has left the building.
Yes.
All right. Let's grab the Morimotos. Actually, I gotta clean those terminals first before anything. All right. La.
No more chrome.
No more chrome. Here we go. All right, guys. As soon as I figure out where they open at. Oh, yeah. Tell me that's not pretty. That's nice.
Much better.
Way better. You can actually totally see it, too. Difference in the chrome in the side. These will make a huge difference in looks and, well, performance, I guess.
Oh, they're brighter.
They are super bright, though, so the backup is supposed to be just insane, the backup light on them, so. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hook these up with them still tied up, and the reason I am is so that I don't have to tie them up after. But it's simple, plug and play fun. It's in, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's on. And this one, hopefully you'll reach up. Two prongs. Oh, other way. Ah. Come on, get in there. And click. There she be. Now let's line up. Oh, let's get this out of my way. Get this to where it's got to go. That to where it's got to go. And boom.
Hold on. Of course, you're going to make sure that the wiring's out from behind it.
The wiring?
Yeah. Something I noticed on that side. Pull it out. Just got to tuck all that over. That
Oh, I
side
see what you're
up
saying.
there,
Yeah,
because it was hitting here.
it was all bundled.
There you go.
Nice. And actually my 10 mils were in there. There we go, much better. Nice and smooth. Boom, nice and smooth. What do you think, Beb?
Awesome. No more chrome. Now we gotta pull the plastic off.
We got to pull it. Actually, I'm just going to test to make sure that, I think what I was reading, the sequential, but
It's on.
What? You look confused about something. Did they do it on hazard? Or let's check the other one.
It's beautiful.
All right. Now for the big reveal. Oh, how satisfying is that?
Oh, those be pretty.
Those are gorgeous. All right, guys. There we go. I will box up these other ones. Save them in case something traumatic happens to these. Which I know they're gonna get pinstriped, but hey. Pay to play, isn't that what they say?
That's what they say.
All right, guys. Let's grab a drink and sit down for some more camping.
Getting ready for lasagna?
Lasagna. Got the oven, got this. What do you want, man? Like, really? Yeah, it's February 3rd.
February 3rd.
Sunshine.
Thanks, man. I love your pet names for me.
It's beautiful out. You just gotta, prep the lasagna, pop her in, and we're good to go.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body liner. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body liner. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time. My girl's name is Sonora. I tell you friends, I adore her. And when she dances with brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you all the time. Dance, 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 Sonora. Dance it all the time. Work, 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 Sonora. Work it all the time. Sonora dances calypso. Left to right is the tempo.
Oh, these are gonna be delicious.
These are gonna be cheesy.
Down in slow motion, jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body in time.
Oh.
Somebody help me, jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake,
All right.
shake,
Cool
There we
beans.
go.
Cooking with the tops on or off?
Off.
shake, Sonora, shake it all the time.
Off, off, off.
Work, work, Sonora.
Look at those, baby.
Woohoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, perfect baked lasagnas while camping. If you don't like that, I don't even want to know you. That looks perfect. Oh my God. Those are amazing.
You can talk about the pit, barbecue, the band was jumping, the people too. Mess around, they're doing the mess around, they're doing the mess around, everybody's doing the mess around. Everybody was shooting, they chose soul, they did the boogie boogie from the start of the road, they mess around, they're doing the mess.
Good morning, everyone. If you're still here watching this, thank you so much. We appreciate it, and we appreciate you for watching. As I said yesterday, this isn't a secret location, and it is a lot busier than we were expecting. The weather wasn't what we thought it was going to be. We were kind of hoping for sunshine, but we didn't get rain. So that's in itself amazing, given how much rain we've been having. This location is so beautiful, and our sleep was so amazing. I have to say, rooftop tent and diesel heater, one of our best decisions yet. Yesterday we just hung out. Brian was here, as you saw, made some lasagnas, did our install of our lights, and hung out by the fire. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful wake up spot. Let me turn you around. The sound of the river first thing in the morning, so nice. So now we're just going to pack things up, get ready to head out. The dreaded Sunday morning, gotta get home to go to work. Again, thank you for watching. And until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments.